Hi there, my name's Tom, and over the next 4 videos I'm going to be showing you how to construct a traditional wooden 4-bowl lobster pot with a parlour. The reason I decided to do this is quite a lot on YouTube, lobster pot fishing, crab pot fishing off the east coast, especially around where I'm from, which is the Hornsey-Bridlington area. Not a lot on the design and construction of pots at all as I can find, so I thought I'd show you at least how I make them for local fishermen in my area. Obviously 4-bowl, you've got a parlour here. This is where most your catch will end up. You've got your 2 spouts, this one here, and then I'm going to show you also put your doors on and your panels. Right, first of all I'm going to go through what you will need for the construction of your pot. So in this video it'll just be brief, how to make your base, drill it, cut your piping and get your piping ready. In the next video, video number 2, I'll be showing you how to insert this parlour. Video number 3, we'll be able to put in these spouts. These will be about 15-20 minutes of video, if you can bear with me that long. And then the last video we'll be putting the shooter over the top, your netting, you're putting your door on and putting your panels in. Right, some of the equipment you're going to need first is sharp knife, 25mm drill bit, 2-inch nails, plastic tags. I cut these out in an old 5-gallon drum, bend these over, they're about 3 inch long, inch wide, as you can see all down here. These are just to staple your mesh to your wood. Ball of 3mm twine, currently about 12 quid a roll. They'll do you a few pots easy. 8-inch braiding needle, sorry. Also 1.2mm twine. You can see I put on the ends of my spouts. Not a necessity. You can use 3mm all the way if you require. That's not a problem. A roll of shooter. I use 3mm. This is a lobster pot shooter, crab pot shooter. Buy this off your well-known internet auction site or your local harbour chandlers. About 55-60 quid a roll. You'll get at least a dozen pots of a roll of that. 25mm piping. I cut my piping at 36.5 inches long. You need 4 for your bows, and I also use 20mm piping for these cross pieces. Not a necessity to use 20mm. You can use 25 as well, say you're buying 2 rolls, depends on how many you make. These are also cut at 36.5 inches long. Now the pot dimensions are 36 inches long from there to there and 20 inches wide. As you can see, I use inch by 4 on the top and the bottom and inch by 3 on these 3 middle pieces. About an inch, inch and a half gap between is fine. You don't want anything bigger than that, you don't want anything sliding through. Let's give you another frame here, easy for you to look at. This is a frame that I've drilled with the holes in. You want holes each corner, directly in the middle, at the top and the bottom, then at one side in between the end and the middle, halfway again, top and the bottom there. That will give you your 4 bows. 25mm holes there. And once you've got your piping cut, you simply just slide one end of your pipe in and the other end in like that, and do that 4 times. Now you can nail all 4 bows in, all 3 apart from your middle one. So you nail these 3 bows in, but don't nail your middle one in yet, because in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to slide your parlour over your middle bow. Quite simply, when you nail them in, put your nail straight through your bottom wood, secure them in there. Also what you'll need, make it a bit easier, is an 8-inch, 7.5 inch, 8-inch piece of wood cut into size. Now what I use that is once I've got these bows on and I've got to fasten my cross pieces in the next video, which I'll show you. See if you're trying to hold it in place with a tape measure, you can just sit it on top of the wood, drill straight through, saves you messing about, and you know all your bows, your cross pieces are going to be the same height. Not much else to cover on that. So I'll see you in the next video when you've got all these 4 bows in place and your cross pieces cut and your base made. Just in here, quick one, I've put these pieces in just to fill in the gaps. so you've got a nice level finish to secure your mesh to. And I think that'll be all. I'll see you in the next video and I'll show you how to put a power in.